Welcome to our first riddle challenge. As you can see, I'm on one team and my sister up here and my mum are on one team. So it's 2 against 1. So let's see how it goes.
Welcome. So the rules for today's games are, I've got a set of 10 questions for Anya's team, which is Karate Kid, and 10 questions for Rainbow City, which is Abhya and Ruchi's team. Each team will get their turn. If they are not able to answer, or if they don't want to answer, or if they get an answer incorrect, then the question goes to the other team, and whoever answers the question, then they get 1 point. Whoever has more points in the end wins the game. If the scores are leveled and they both have the same question, same scores, then I've got a reserve question to make the decision, and it will be on buzzer basis. So whoever says they're going to answer, they will get a chance to answer, and if they get it right, then they get the point. Otherwise, the other team gets a chance
Maybe
to
we'll
answer.
clap for the buzzer.
Okay, yeah. So let's start with Rainbow City. Okay, so we'll start with that. So first question is, what do you get when you add? What do you get when you add 3 to 5? When you add 3 and 5, what do you get? That's the first question.
3 and 5. What do you get up here? 8.
Well done! Yay! Right answer! Good. So you get 1 point to Rainbow City.
This part.
Okay?
1 for Rainbow City.
Rainbow City.
What's the next question?
Next question to Karate Kid now. What color do you get when you mix red and yellow?
Orange.
Well done! Yay! Right answer. 1 point goes to Karate Kid. Second question to Rainbow City. What is the capital city of England? You can have a discussion.
London.
Very good. Right answer. Right answer up there. You get 1 more point. Well done. Second question to Karate Kid. What is the full form of TV? What does TV stand for?
Television.
Well done. Well done. Well done, Anya ji. Very good. You get 1 more point. The scores are leveled at 2 each. Third question to Team Rainbow City. Name a supermarket whose name starts with an M.
Morrison's.
Well done. Well done, Abhya. Excellent. Excellent. Well done. That's good. Question to Karate Kid. What has 2 wheels and a pedal?
A bicycle.
Well done! Excellent answer, Anya. The scores are leveled at 3 all. It's a very tight competition and they are both getting it right. Okay. Now it goes to a bit difficult. The question is to Rainbow City, which is Anya and Ruchi's team.
Abhya and Ruchi's.
Abhya's and Ruchi's team. What is Anya's favorite food?
What is Anya's favorite food?
So, Abhya and Ruchi have to tell what is Anya's favorite food is.
Pizza.
Yes! Very good. So you get 1 more point. Rainbow City.
You're playing very well.
Okay, Karate Kid. Now it's your turn. Can you tell what is Abhya's favorite food?
Maggie.
It might be favorite, but it's not on the list.
What?
So you probably don't get the point there.
Oh.
Abhya's favorite food on today's list is Rice Krispies and Cheerios. It's alright, you'll get some.
And Maggie too.
And Maggie too,
So
yeah.
I just chose 1.
Okay,
Yeah, and I have to choose 1 as well.
that's fine. So the answer we had was Rice Krispies and Cheerios because that's what we asked Abhya before the game. But that's fine. So the scores are Rainbow City 4 and Karate Kid 3. Okay, so next question coming up is Rainbow City. What does Anya want to become when she grows up?
Okay, this is so easy now.
What does Anya wants to become when she grows up?
Isn't it obvious? A story writer.
Well done, yeah, very good. I think that's the right answer. That's a perfect answer. Very good. Now this one might be really difficult for Anya to tell. So, Karate Kid, can you tell what does Abhya want to become when she grows up?
Oh God.
She has told me what she wants to become after.
She's never told me what she wants to become.
So you have to guess now.
God. No. Oh, no.
If you pass, then Abhya can't tell, but Mummy gets a chance to guess. If you can't tell and you can't answer, and if Mummy can't answer, then Anya will get a point.
No.
Yes, Anya gets a guess. Anya will try. Okay. Okay, let's see. Let Anya guess. What could be Abhya's favorite thing? What she wants to become when she grows up?
A candy maker.
No, unfortunately not. She could be on the list. She might like it, but that's not what she
A
told us.
diver.
Right. Abhya has told what the answer is, but Abhya, that answer won't be accepted now.
So Abhya wants to become a diver.
Abhya wants to
So
become a
I will
diver.
get a point and
Very
so
impressive,
next
So
question.
no points.
I forget about the seaweed.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Yes, but you've never wanted to go in.
Well done.
Good,
That's
Abhya.
really brave of you.
Good
job. That's a
one.
good choice.
But unfortunately, Abhya's team doesn't get any points now because she
It's
knows the
okay.
answer.
So what's the
Okay.
next question?
So
for
next
us?
question. So the scores are Rainbow City 5 and Karate Kid 3.
It's okay.
Because it's a little bit
You
different.
can catch up, Anya.
Yeah.
I
Very
can
good.
catch up.
Okay.
Oh,
So
you
next
can
question to
catch
Rainbow
it.
City.
Catch up.
What is the next question?
Next question to Rainbow City. Which is Anya's most favorite place at school? Which place does Anya like the most at school?
It was so hard. So then,
Okay, come on, Abhya and Ruchi.
playground.
That's the right answer!
I got two.
That's the right answer. Well done,
the one,
Abhya.
Anya.
Very good
I
guessing.
like one more than the other.
Okay.
What's the other one?
Okay,
Classroom.
now it's Karate Kid's turn. So it's a difficult one. Again, what is Abhya's? Because she's only gone for only 3 months at school. Can you guess what is Abhya's most favorite place at school?
I got two because she always says that those two are favorite. But I can only choose one. So I'm guessing. Oh God. Is it the playground? Oh,
What's the other one?
classroom.
Where inside the classroom?
Oh wait.
Sandberg?
Now let Anya guess.
So tricky. Yeah, it's really tricky. Now, you can't even say like
You're not
suggest
saying.
the answer.
Yes, Anya, go on. Give it a guess.
Is it the puppet show place?
No, unfortunately not. Abhya's most favorite place at school is the coloring corner. Coloring corner.
Art corner.
Art corner. Yes.
Yeah, I
So,
simply forgot about that.
unfortunately, no points for Karate Kid.
What?
What's the next question for
So
us?
next question. So the score is Rainbow City 6 and Karate Kid 3.
They
What's
got
the
double
next
my
one?
score.
Okay.
Wow.
Next one is to Rainbow City, which is Abhya's team. Name the chocolate which has a gift inside of it.
The egg chocolate.
Kinder Egg?
Kinder Egg. Well done. Well done. That's the right answer. Clap. Okay, next question to Karate Kid. What do you call the bag which you give after a birthday treat?
A party bag.
Party bag, right answer. Well done, Gallows. 1 point for Anya.
At least I'll take
Okay, next question goes to Rainbow City. Name two things that glow in the dark.
Light.
Glow in the dark. Name two things which glow in the dark.
I can't. Glow in the dark sticks.
Glow in the dark sticks, yes, that's one. And
Glow in the dark stickers.
sticks and sticker, that's one. Can you name another one?
So, I know three of the glow in dark things.
Mhm.
So one is glow in the dark sticks.
Mhm.
Glow in the dark slime.
Yeah, that's real.
Mhm.
Yeah, and
Mhm.
the glow in the dark tattoo.
Glow in the dark tattoos. Well done. Very good. Those are the two things that glow in the dark. Well done. So you get one more point. Rainbow City. Question 2. Karate Kid. What time does the hand and the minute hand overlap in the clock?
Minute hand and
What is the time when hour hand and minute hand?
Minute hand overlap in the clock. It happens many times in the day.
yeah.
But can you tell me any one of them?
Okay, you could say 5:25.
Well done. Right answer, Anya. Right answer. Very good. Perfect answer. Very good.
I don't
You
think
get the-
525 is the right answer. When it is 525, our hand is a bit away from 5.
Challenge overruled. 525 is the right answer. You get 1 point. Very close.
No. I 6:30.
Hmm.
No,
Yeah.
12 o'clock.
12
Yes,
o'clock.
that's
It's a
the right
perfect.
answer.
Yes.
Perfect.
Perfect, Anya. Good. Okay. So you get 1 point, Anya. So the scores are 8 and 5. So
I'm
Rainbow
not
City has 8, Karate has 5.
Help me.
Okay.
I don't know what I'm doing.
So name. Okay, Rainbow City.
Yes.
Name a game which can be played by more than 2 players on the playground.
In my school.
Anywhere. Can you name a game which is played by more than 2 players in a playground?
Shark attack.
Well done. Right answer. You get another point for that, Rainbow City. Well done. Karate Kid. Name the drink which is made using lemon and sugar.
Lemonade.
Lemonade. Well done. Right answer. Well done, cuckoos. Okay, last question. Name who lives on the North Pole? Rainbow City.
This is so easy. Yes.
Who lives on the North Pole?
Polar bear and Santa.
Well done, Cuckoo. Well done. Get another point. That's perfect. 10. Karate Kid. What makes people laugh?
Jokes.
Jokes. Well done. Right answer. Well done.
Dad.
Good. So after the 10 questions, yes, Abhya.
I forgot my words.
कोई बात नहीं. It's okay. So after the game, we got 10 out of 10 for Rainbow City and 7 out of 10 for Karate Kid.
Well,
Very good.
Good
It was
effort, Tanya.
very good. Well tried, Anya ji. It was a bit tricky answers from Abhya's personal questions which made all the difference. Alright, we'll catch up with you
But you
again
did really well.
later on. Thank you very much. Bye.